Have you ever wondered why native English speakers sound so smooth and natural? Like their words just flow effortlessly? And when you speak, maybe you pause a bit too long or your sentences sound too careful. Don't worry, it's not your grammar. It's something much smaller and way easier than that. The secret is in the tiny words they use between thoughts. Words like, well, actually, or I mean. They're called fillers. And they're the hidden trick that makes your speech sound fluid, confident, and alive, just like a native speaker. And here's the best part, you don't need to memorize all of them. If you remember and start using even 4 or 5 of these fillers naturally, you'll feel the difference in your speaking almost immediately. So stay with me till the end. I'll show you exactly how to use each one with real examples so you can stop sounding robotic and start speaking English that flows. Ready to sound smoother than ever? Let's go! All right, let's dive in. I'll show you 15 common fillers, exactly how native speakers use them, and short practice lines so you can try them now. Remember, pick 4 or 5 to start with, use them naturally, and you'll feel the difference fast. 1. Uh, um, Simple thinking pause. Use these when you need a moment to think. They're neutral. Everyone uses them. Examples. I'm not sure what time the movie starts. Let me check my calendar and get back to you. Practice. I'll be there around 6. I'll be there around 6. 2. Seek agreement, check understanding. This helps you connect with the listener. Act like asking, you get what I mean. Examples. It was, kind of unexpected. She's really good at the job. Practice. It was, a little difficult at first. It was, a little difficult at first. 3. Like softener, example marker. It often softens a statement or introduces an example. Examples. It felt like really wrong to say that. You could try the blue one. Practice. I was so surprised. I was so surprised. 4. Clarify or rephrase. Use this when you want to restate or soften what you just said. Examples. It's a great idea, but it needs more time. She's smart. She finished the project early. Practice. We could just wait and see. We could just wait and see. 5. Actually, gentle correction or contrast. Use it to politely correct or show a contrast. Examples. Actually, the meeting is tomorrow, not today. I actually prefer winter to summer. Practice. Actually, I think that's a better plan. Actually, I think that's a better plan. 6. Basically. Summarize or simplify. Use it when you want to simplify or summarize something. Examples. Basically, we need to finish this by Friday. Basically, it comes down to time and money. Practice. Basically, it's an easy fix. Basically, it's an easy fix. 7. Kind of, sort of, soften opinions. These soften strong statements and make you sound less direct. Examples. I'm kind of tired today. It was sort of unexpected. Practice. I'm kind of busy this afternoon. I'm kind of busy this afternoon. Well, start a reply or buy time. Use well to start a reply or give yourself a second to think. Examples. Well, I think we should try it. Well, that's a good question. Practice. Well, let me see what I can do. Well, let me see what I can do. 9. You see, explain or lead into a reason. Use it to prepare the listener for an explanation. Examples. You see, the problem started last week. You see, we need more time to test it. Practice. You see, it's not that simple. You see, it's not that simple. 10. I guess show uncertainty. Use this to show uncertainty or soften your opinion. Examples. I guess he forgot to call. I guess we could try that option. Practice. I guess that's okay. I guess that's okay. 11. Right? Seek confirmation. Use this to check that the listener agrees or understands. Examples. We should leave now, right? That was amazing, right? Practice. We'll meet at 5, right? We'll meet at 5, right? 12. So, transition. Start a new idea. So helps you move to a new idea or connect thoughts. Examples. So, what do you want to do next? So, that's how it happened. Practice. So, let's begin. So, let's begin. 13. Okay. So, reset or begin. Use it to refocus attention or introduce a plan. Examples. Okay, so we'll meet at 3. Okay, let's finish this quickly. Practice. Okay, so here's the plan. Okay, so here's the plan. 14. Anyway, return to main topic or wrap up. Use it to return to your main topic or wrap up. Examples. Anyway, back to the main issue. She left early. Anyway, we finished on time. Practice. Anyway, let's continue. Anyway, let's continue. 15. Let's see. Think aloud. Use it when you're thinking out loud or deciding. Examples. Let's see. Maybe we should wait. Let's see. What time is the train? Practice. Let's see. I think it's at 4. Let's see. I think it's at 4. Now let's hear these fillers in action. Well, I'm kind of tired today. You know, we could just stay home. I mean, that's fine, but I actually wanted to try the new place. Right? So, let's see. Maybe next time. Now it's your turn. Pick 4 or 5 fillers from this video. Speak for 1 minute about your day and try using them naturally. Record yourself and notice how your speech flows more easily. Let's do a quick challenge. 1. You're late. Use well or I guess. 2. Explain why you're happy. Use actually or you know. 3. Ask for agreement. Use right. 4. Move to a new idea. Use so or okay so. 5. Think aloud. Use let's see.
A few quick reminders. Use fillers to buy thinking time and sound natural. Choose a few favorites and practice them in sentences. Don't overload every sentence with fillers, it becomes distracting. And don't use casual fillers in formal writing or job interviews, a short pause is better there. Remember, you don't need to learn all 15 today. If you remember and use 4 or 5 of them properly, you'll definitely feel the difference in your speech. That small change makes a huge impact. Before we finish, try speaking for 1 minute about your day, but this time, consciously use 2 fillers from your set. Record yourself, listen back, and notice how much smoother you sound. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which 4 or 5 fillers you'll practice this week. Keep practicing, the little words are the secret sauce. Speak naturally, and see how your confidence grows. See you next time.